And we are unstoppable, marching ahead, ladies and gentlemen. Well, teamwork, they say, even when Mr. Sunil spoke to us, he talked about teamwork, how this is an ability to work towards a common vision. So we now converge to our next category, ladies and gentlemen, the partner of the year. Well, these are those partners who've taken our services to the length, to the breadth of our nation, and are our reliable extended sales force. And I would like to say they are our all-weather partners. So, that's that one phrase that just describes them all. Our set of feisty presenters for this, final category of the evening would be joining us. So I guess we're all set in our bestest mode of energies to welcome our presenters and, of course, our leading, awardees for this category. So, all right, inviting on the stage, Ronik Dhar, Bhavesh Adya, Sunil Gupta, right there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please make some humongous noise for the partner of the year. And the award goes to Assure Assistance Teleservices. Congratulations. Could we please request the director, Abhishek Jaiswal, come forward and accepting the proud honors.
Congratulations, Abhishek. And so I've been working with Abhishek for quite a while now. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, Abhishek. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
congratulations
for giving me this award.
Congratulations.
Hi, thank you, your team for giving me this award. I'm extremely proud. The kind of support and provided by you are wonderful and it's so knowledgeable. I would like, congrats, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for being a partner. Thank you.
Congratulations once again, Abhishek. Congratulations to Assure Assistance Teleservices. Well, I would like to say here a gem, I see there a gem, everywhere a gem today, ruke nahi, thake nahi, jhuke nahi, aap badhe chale. So here's to our journey and here's to saying thank you to you, Ronik, for joining us. And could we please have Amit Dubey joining us as our next presenter along with Bhavesh and of course, Mr. Sunil Gupta. So well, the next award, ladies and gentlemen, triumph really ruling the stage. This one is for you, AGC Networks. Congratulations. Well, we would love to have Jayanta Prabhu joining us, the business head, India and SAARC from AGC Networks joining us.
Thanks, Yota. Thanks, Sunil, Bhavesh, Amit, Kamal, Manish for this award. We are humbled. It is a prestigious award for us. And this is a long journey. And I take this award on behalf of my entire AGC family. And this journey started a year back. We want to take it to next level. And it's not only we want to serve India customer, to global customer also we wanted to target. And looking forward for your support. And thanks again.
Thank you, Jayanta. I would like to say one word for Jayanta, one few words for Jayanta. कहते हैं भगवान कृष्ण के बहुत सारे रूप होते हैं, तो जयंता जी के हमारे लिए ऐसा ही कुछ है कि वो हमारे पार्टनर भी हैं, हमारे कस्टमर भी हैं, हमारे वेंडर भी हैं, and he always remains the all-weather friend for us. So thank you so much, Jayanta. I mean, seriously, it's a pleasure to work with you and have you as our friend. Thank you very much.
Thanks, my friend Sunil.
Congratulations. Sir.
Thanks, Bhavesh. Thanks, Bhavesh.
All right, congratulations once again, Jayanta. I could just see that, that lovely bonding, between the team there. So, all right, we're all set on our mark to applaud and invite our next awardee onto the screens. Now, this one is again for JLL Property Consultants. Congratulations. We would have Rachit Mohan, the India Head Data Center Advisory, joining us.
Thank you.
Office Brokerage joining.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Sunil, Bhavesh, Darshan. I think for the full group, I think Yota has a very, very special place in our hearts. We've been associated. I think we were probably the first vendors who were onboarded by Yota when Yota was formed. And, my projects team was involved in helping build out the campus as well. And to where we are today. It's very, very, it's a proud moment. And I think this is only a start. We have to conclude many very, very large transactions and get you very big customers in times to come. And I'm very sure we will be doing that. Thank you. Thank you, Sunil. Thank you, Bhavesh. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Rachit. वो जो मेरे कृष्ण जी की एनालॉजी थी आपके ऊपर भी उतनी फिट होती है क्योंकि आपके साथ भी हम इतनी अलग-अलग वैरायटी की ट्रांजैक्शंस कर रहे हैं, right? You know that. Of course, you are a partner selling not only the co-location services, but I was pleased to see your team selling desktop as a service. And of course, you are partners identifying land, and giving us consultancy, all over. Thank you for being there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Rajit, congratulations to your entire team.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Rachit, big congratulations. The partner of the year there, JLL. And with that, Amit, thank you. And up next, may I please humbly invite you again, Nilesh, to join us in doing the honors. So our next partner of the year and the honors are being conferred on iPlanet Cloud Solutions. Congratulations. We would be very happy to be witnessing the director, Anand Jagdale, joining us and accepting this lovely moment.
Thank you very much, Yota. We are honored with this award. This goes to my team, iPlanet, and as well, thank you very much, Amit, Bhavesh, Sunil sir. Thank you very much. We are really happy and we are really honored with this award.
Congratulations, and I can't really thank you enough. You are, I think, among our earliest partners and customers, and we continue to have such a great relationship with you, such a great bonding with you and your team. So thanks for being there always for us, and I'm sure we can have mutual, much bigger success in times to come. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Congratulations, Anand, and the iPlanet team.
Thank you, Bhavesh. Thank you very much. And looking for a very long-lasting relationship ahead.
Congratulations, Anand. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Nilesh. Thank you very much.
All right, so I see that winning streak on Anand's face that absolutely looks befitting. And I was just wondering, इस बार ऐसी कौन सी analogy है जो Mr. Sunil हमसे कहेंगे? But these are these little moments of nostalgia that are just brimming across as we're just meeting and greeting and congratulating you. So trust me, this is a proud moment, and we have a heart of gratitude for all our partners out there. So on that note, I am all set because I've braced myself to welcome up next with some good fanfare music, with some applauses and confetti being blown. So let's give it up for Galaxy Office Automation. Nilesh, I'll say thank you to you, but invite Amit Dubey to join us, our presenter, for honoring the efforts of Galaxy Office Automation. And it would be great to have the CEO and director, Sanjay Patodia.
Right, I am very honored to get this award and really appreciate all the support we have got and the kind of partnership we have engaged with the entire Yota team. Sunil sir has been quite supportive and has been very committed towards the partner fraternity and the kind of messaging which has gone has built in the confidence in the partner community. The team is excellent. Bhavesh, veteran in the channel management, Manish sir, Kamal sir, and we have also worked with Amit Agarwal and the other end customer teams. So our engagement with Yota team has been complete 360 degrees. As a vendor, as a partner, so it has been a holistic approach, and we are very gung-ho, and it is a strategic partnership for us, and we look forward for much more success and reaching more peaks and heights along with Toyota. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanjay ji. You are a veteran in the industry, so having these words from you actually makes us much more humble. And again, like some of our largest deals, have come through you, and not only you are bringing the leads, but you're also enabling the deliveries of those deals as well. So thanks for being our continuous partner across all the spectrum, and I'm hoping to work with you for much more times to come and getting much greater success for both of us together. Thank you.
Definitely, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Sanjay ji, and Purvesh and the entire team at Galaxy.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Sanjay ji. Congratulations, Galaxy.
Well, our success begins with your stories, ladies and gentlemen, our dearest, esteemed, and most lovable partners, I should say. So thank you. And Amit, I got to thank you here. And up next, invite for the final award to be given at the presentation ceremony. Ronik Dhar, would be great if we could have you on the stage. Of course, Bhavesh and Sunil will already be joining us. So this is, ladies and gentlemen, just get the best of your energies, and let's extend a big hand to our winner, iBits Technology Solutions. Big congratulations to you. The founder and CTO, Bijoy KT, would be great if you could join us.
Thank you so much, and we are honored by this recognition, and I truly believe that we did the right thing to partner with Toyota. Hiranandani has always been a brand of best quality across all industries they operate. And also when leaders like Sunil and Bhavesh leading from the front, like we were extremely confident we would be able to perform at this scale. At this juncture, I would also like to thank our partner manager, Ronik, and sales team, especially Suman, who was with us through most of the closures. And last but not the least, our iBits team, our entire team members who have supported us in identifying the opportunities and supporting the customers to implement it. So it has been a wonderful journey for us. We look forward to work with Toyota in the years to come. Thank you.
Congratulations, Bijoy, and your entire team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bijoy. Thanks, Bijoy. I think if we simply go by the count of awards which you and your team have won today, that itself shows, how you are there all over supporting us across various products in different ways. So thank you for being our partners, and let's look forward to working with you together much more in times to come. Thank you.
Same here. Thank you so much.
Vijay, congratulations to your
Thank
entire
you,
team.
sir.